And the OsstellConnect platform, as I mentioned, it has been active already dating back to the IDX machine, as you see on the far left. It was a very, very good machine to utilize. It was very, very popular with our dental assistants. But nowadays we're only utilizing the Osstell beacon, which is really a straightforward, intuitive way of delivering the ISQ values. And by means of Bluetooth, it connects to the computer and it brings up the different values for each patient to the Connect platform. And this has really made, the inclusion, I think, in terms of my dental assistants, because they are controlling the platform, they are adding the patients, they know exactly what we're going to do. The pre-planning focus becomes even more important, meaning that when we look at an implant patient, we take CBCT slides, we do guided surgery, we already planned the implant before. We know exactly what we're going to utilize in terms of the products for the patients before we even started the surgery. So a lot of this aspect can be put into the Connect platform before we even start the surgical session. And it saves a lot of time, obviously. It becomes very, very intuitive. So we are constantly pooling data to the cloud, not only for the purpose, of course, for my clinic and my patients, but really to bring a lot of power into accumulating thousands and thousands of measurements from patients all around the world.